Hello and Merry Christmas to all traders around the world. Welcome to the US30 Eagle Christmas Special, a glittering session wrapped in the festive spirit of trading. Today, we're unwrapping the secrets of the legendary price action trader Munehisa Homma and how his strategies can illuminate your trading journey. Before we dive into this treasure trove of trading wisdom, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support is our greatest gift, and it helps us bring more insightful content your way. So, grab your hot cocoa, settle in, and let's embark on another trading journey together.
Have you ever pondered what separates the rich from the poor? What clandestine knowledge do successful traders possess that the average person does not? Financial success, it's an enigma that has captivated minds and hearts for centuries. The idea of turning a small sum into a fortune, of predicting the rise and fall of markets, it's an allure that has drawn many yet mastered by few. In the vast universe of finance and trading, a multitude of strategies exist, each one promising to be the secret key to wealth. Yet often the most successful traders are those who do not simply follow a strategy, but create their own, who look beyond the numbers and delve into the heart of the market. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of one such legend. A man who was not just successful, but extraordinarily so. A man who became a beacon of financial prowess. Munehisa Homma. Born into a prominent rice merchant family in 18th century Japan, Homma was no stranger to the world of commerce. His early life was steeped in the intricacies of trade, a craft he learned from his family who were already established in the rice business. This early exposure to commerce was the launchpad for Homma's remarkable journey into the world of trading. Munehisa Homma was not content with just learning the family business. He had a keen mind that was always seeking to understand the whys and hows of the market. He was known to spend hours observing the daily workings of the rice trade, trying to understand the patterns and trends that drove the prices. It was this relentless pursuit of knowledge that set Homma apart from his peers and laid the foundation for his future success. By the time he was in his 20s, Homma had gained substantial knowledge and experience in the rice trade. He was ready to venture out on his own. With the backing of his family, Homma moved to the bustling city of Osaka, home to the Dojima Rice Exchange, the world's first futures market. It was here that Homma began his trading career. Homma's approach to trading was different from the norm. He realized early on that the price of rice was influenced not just by supply and demand, but also by the emotions of traders. This understanding led him to develop a unique trading strategy that took into account the psychological aspects of the market. His innovative approach paid off, and Homma quickly made a name for himself in the Dojima Rice Exchange. His success in trading was not just about making money. For Homma, it was about understanding the market, about deciphering its language, and about making informed decisions based on that understanding. He was not just a trader, he was a student of the market. From the rice fields to the trading floor, Homma was on his way to becoming a legend. This was just the beginning of his journey, a journey that would see him rise from a humble rice merchant to one of the most influential traders in history. But that, dear listeners, is a story for another time. Homma's success was not a product of luck or inheritance. It was a testament to his genius and understanding of the market. Munehisa Homma was far from an average trader. His trading strategies were unique, innovative, and most importantly, effective. Homma had a keen understanding of the psychological aspects of trading, which he leveraged to his advantage. He believed that the fluctuation of prices was not merely a reflection of cold, hard data, but also a manifestation of the collective mindset of traders. Fear, greed, hope, and despair, he noted, could drive the market just as much as economic indicators could. Homma's approach to trading was not about predicting the market's every move. Instead, he focused on understanding the market's sentiment, the underlying emotions that move traders and consequently prices. He believed that by understanding the emotions at play, he could predict the market's general direction and make profitable trades. Now let's talk about Homma's most significant contribution to the financial world: the introduction of candlestick charts. These charts, which are now a staple in the world of trading, were a groundbreaking innovation in Homma's time. With their open, close, high, and low points, they provided a detailed picture of market activity, unlike anything traders had seen before. But it wasn't just the design that was revolutionary. It was how Homma used them. Homma understood that these charts were more than just lines and boxes. They were a visual representation of trader sentiment. By carefully studying the patterns formed by the candlesticks, Homma could predict market trends with uncanny accuracy. He knew when to buy, when to sell, and when to sit tight. His use of candlestick charts was so effective that it's still widely used by traders today, more than 2 centuries later. Homma's methods were revolutionary, transforming him into a trading titan. His understanding of the market's emotional undercurrent, his innovative use of candlestick charts, and his focus on market sentiment set him apart from his contemporaries and cemented his place in history as one of the greatest traders to have ever lived. Homma was not just a trader, he was a warrior in the financial world. Journey with me as we delve into the legend of Munehisa Homma, a man whose exploits earned him the name the Financial Samurai. Homma wielded knowledge, not a sword, yet his victories were just as profound. He stood tall, not in a battlefield, but in the world of rice futures trading in the Dojima Rice Exchange of Osaka, Japan. In his time, Homma was a force to be reckoned with. He was a master strategist, a man who could read the market like an open book. It was his unique ability to understand and predict price movements that set him apart from his peers. His remarkable talent for trading led him to achieve what seemed impossible: 100 consecutive winning trades, not 1, not 10, but 100. An achievement that echoes through the annals of financial history, earning Homma a place among the legends. But it wasn't just his trading prowess that made him a legend. Homma was a visionary, a pioneer in the field of technical analysis. His candlestick method, a technique that involves predicting price movements based on historical price patterns, is still widely used by traders around the globe today. Homma was not just a trader. He was a beacon of inspiration, a testament to the power of knowledge and strategy. His story serves as a reminder to us all that with the right mindset, the right strategy, and the right amount of perseverance, we can conquer any market, any challenge that comes our way. Homma's legend transcends the world of finance. His story is one of determination, resilience, and an unyielding pursuit of excellence. He was a man who dared to dream big, a man who dared to challenge the status quo, a man who dared to be different. And in doing so, he changed the world of trading forever. Homma's legacy is a testament to the power of knowledge, strategy, and perseverance. His story inspires us all to strive for greatness, to never stop learning, and to always, always keep pushing forward. Homma's life offers invaluable lessons for today's traders and financial enthusiasts. In our journey through the life of Munehisa Homma, we've touched on his rise to prominence, his trading prowess, and his status as a financial samurai. Now, let's distill these elements to draw out the lessons that can be applied to our modern financial landscape. Homma's trading strategies, as we've seen, were not based on whims or guesswork. Instead, they were rooted in a deep understanding of market psychology and trend analysis. He was not swayed by the emotions that often cloud judgment. Fear and greed, the twin demons of trading, had no hold on him. Instead, he calmly assessed the market, observing its ebbs and flows with a detached clarity. One key lesson to take away from Homma's approach is the importance of discipline. Trading is not a game of luck, but a game of skill, and like any skill, it requires practice, patience, and a level head. Homma's success was not born of impulsive decisions, but of careful planning and steadfast adherence to his trading principles. Another crucial lesson is the value of trend analysis. Homma understood that the market moves in patterns, and that these patterns, once identified, can be used to predict future price movements. This understanding allowed him to anticipate market shifts and make informed trading decisions. And finally, let's not forget the importance of market psychology. Homma was a master at reading the crowd. He knew that the market is driven by the collective emotions of its participants and used this knowledge to his advantage. He didn't merely follow the crowd, he anticipated its moves. In summary, Homma's life teaches us the importance of discipline, trend analysis, and understanding market psychology in successful trading. These lessons, learned centuries ago, remain as vital today as they were in Homma's time. Homma's story is a beacon of inspiration, illuminating the path to financial success for those willing to learn. The tale of Munehisa Homma transcends time. His strategies and wisdom still echoed in the trading world today. Considered a financial samurai, Homma's trading techniques are not relics of the past. They are living, breathing strategies, as relevant today as they were in the 18th century. Homma's understanding of price action trading, his uncanny ability to read the market's emotional state, is still the foundation of many trading systems. His candlestick charting, a revolutionary concept in its time, is now a staple in the trader's toolkit, used by professionals and novices alike. Homma's legacy is not just his wealth or his trading prowess, but his philosophy. It's his belief that understanding human psychology is as crucial as understanding numbers. It's his conviction that discipline, patience, and emotional control are the cornerstones of financial success. As we delve into the mysteries of financial success, the legacy of Munehisa Homma serves as a guiding light, a testament to the power of knowledge, strategy, and the human spirit.
And that brings us to the end of our US30 Eagle Christmas special. We hope Munehisa Homma's insights have lit up new ideas in your trading strategy. Remember, trading is a journey, and every step you take with knowledge leads you closer to success. If you found value in today's session, please leave a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Wishing you profitable trades and a joyous holiday season. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, happy trading.